Welcome to Mathematics Support. Today we are going to solve equation on proportionality, or we can also call it variation. Okay, so let's get started. So we have our question here, given if y is proportional to x. When we talk about proportion, it means direct proportion. Okay, or we can also say if y varies. So the word proportion or varies can be used in this question. If y is proportional to x and y is 17 when x is 51, write an equation of y in terms of x. So our first question, we have been asked to write an equation of y in terms of x. So this statement, y is proportional to x, so this is how it is written. So y is proportional to x. But we can solve question with the symbol of proportionality. So we have to change this symbol into k. So y will be equals to, we have to use the equal sign, then we include k, kx. Y k is our constant. So y is equals to kx, since we have been asked to write an equation. So an equation, we need to have an equal sign. So this is how the equation is going to look like. Y is equals to kx. Next, our equation is write an equation of y in terms of x. Our equation should have only y and x, but here we have k, so we need to calculate k so that our equation should have x and y. So in order to do that, we have to look for the known value. So we have y is 17 and x is 51. So if we write it, y is 17 equals to, we have k, and our x is 51. So we can have this as 51k should be equals to 17. So this implies k is equals to 17 over 51. So this will give us 1/3. So this implies k is 1/3. So to answer the question of A, now we have k, we can write another equation. So an equation of y in terms of x, we are going to have y should be equals to k. Now we have k is 1/3 x. So this is our equation of y in terms of x. Okay, so let's move to the next question, which is B. So we are done with A. So but no need to delete the equation, we are going to use it to calculate the others values. So this is our equation, we're going to use it. So if we continue with B, find y when x is 10. So we are asked to find y when x is 10. So x is 10. So in order to find y when x is 10, so we just plug in the values. So we're asked to find y, x is 10, 1/3. X is 10 when x is 10. So this will give us 1 times 10 is 10 over 3. So we can write it in this form of a fraction, or this can also be written as 3 over 1. So this is our answer for B. So let's focus on C. Next we are asked to calculate C when next we are asked to find x when y is 360. So if we write our equation again, y is equals to 1/3 x. So we are asked to look for x when y is 360. So we are going to write y is equals to 360 should be equals to 1/3 x. So this we are going to have 360. 1 times x is x over 3. So we can cross multiply to have the value of x. We can put this over 1. So 1 times x, if we cross multiply, 1 times x will give us x. We'll be left with 3 times 360. So x will be equal to 3 times 360 is 1080. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.